Apple is about to raise the bar again. The M5 MacBook Pro is not just another laptop, it's a statement of intent. It's built for power users who need more than just good performance. It's made for people who demand speed, intelligence, and reliability, all wrapped in a sleek, professional design. This MacBook is designed with creators in mind. It's for developers who run complex code, for video editors working on 8K timelines, for musicians building large sessions, for students who want battery life to last through the day and beyond, and for professionals who need a machine they can trust. On the outside, the M5 MacBook Pro may look familiar. That's by design. Apple has kept the iconic MacBook shape. It's still thin, sleek, and made of precision-milled aluminum. It still feels premium the moment you pick it up. But look closer and you'll notice subtle changes. There are new finishes, matte black and possibly a dark titanium. These aren't just stylish. They also reduce fingerprints and smudges. Apple didn't mean to change the MacBook's shape. It already works. Instead, they focused on small refinements. The edges feel cleaner. The build feels tighter. The hinge is smoother. This is a device that feels both solid and light. When you carry it, it slips easily into a bag. When you use it, it stays cool and quiet. When you close it, it locks shut with a perfect fit. These details matter. They make everyday use feel better, more seamless, and more dependable. The display is one of the MacBook's strongest features. That continues here. Apple is using a mini LED Liquid Retina XDR display. It's stunning. The colors are rich. The contrast is deep. The blacks are truly black. The whites are clean and bright. It also supports ProMotion, Apple's 120Hz refresh rate technology. This makes everything feel smoother. Scrolling, animations, and transitions feel more responsive. Moving windows, dragging files, switching between apps, it all feels fluid. But the real value of this display is what it offers to creators. HDR support means you can color grade with confidence. Designers will see their work more accurately. Photographers get true-to-life color reproduction. Editors can work on footage without needing an external monitor. The display notch is still there, but most users have adjusted to it. It holds the camera and it lets the screen stretch higher. It's a compromise most are happy to make. The added screen real estate makes a difference, especially when working on large projects or multitasking. Now let's talk about the M5 chip. This is where everything changes. Built on TSMC's advanced 3nm process, the M5 chip is a major leap forward. It's smaller, it's faster, it's more efficient. Compared to the M4, the CPU in the M5 is around 25% faster. That's not just a spec sheet number. That means apps launch quicker, files open instantly, large projects load in seconds. If you're editing video, exporting times drop. If you're coding, compile times shrink. If you're gaming, frame rates rise. Even with multiple apps open, everything stays smooth. Then there's the neural engine. Apple has improved it significantly. This is the part of the chip that handles artificial intelligence tasks. And now, the M5 can handle more of them directly on the device. You can transcribe speech in real time. You can remove backgrounds from images instantly. You can use advanced editing features in Final Cut or Photoshop without lag. And because this all happens on the device, your data stays private. There's no need to upload anything to the cloud. It's faster and safer. And for those using the M5 Max chip, the experience goes even further. The GPU in the Max version is built for professionals. It handles high-resolution video, complex graphics, and real-time simulations with ease. This is where 3D artists, animators, and engineers find their power. It's not just fast, it's stable and quiet, even under heavy load. You spend less time waiting and more time working. Despite all this power, the M5 MacBook Pro doesn't drain quickly. In fact, it's expected to offer over 20 hours of battery life under normal use. That includes browsing, writing, reading, watching videos, and even light editing. And when you push it harder, With high-performance tasks like rendering, compiling, or running multiple apps, it still gives you hours of uninterrupted power. That's rare in a laptop this powerful. This battery life isn't just about a bigger battery. It's about smarter use of energy. Apple's hardware, software, and chip design all work together. When you're not using the full power of the chip, it scales down. When you need performance, it ramps up instantly. This balance means you get a machine that works hard but rests easy, and it all happens automatically. No settings to adjust, no performance modes to switch. Just smooth, consistent power. Now, let's talk about thermals. Apple has refined the cooling system in the M5 MacBook Pro. It runs cooler under pressure. It keeps performance high without overheating. And it stays quieter than ever before. You'll barely hear the fans during most tasks when they do kick. They're smart, they only spin when needed, and they ramp up gently. This keeps your environment peaceful for students in libraries, professionals in meetings, or creators in studios. This matters. Silence can be productivity, and the M5 MacBook Pro brings it. Everything about this device is balanced. It's familiar, but it's evolved. The design is iconic, but improved. The display is beautiful, but functional. The chip is powerful, but efficient. The system is advanced, but simple to use. And that's the real story of the M5 MacBook Pro. It doesn't try to be flashy. It doesn't try to wow you with gimmicks. Instead, it gives you what you really need: performance, endurance, and trust. For video editors, it saves time. For developers, it shortens build cycles. For business professionals, it brings reliability. For students, it offers all-day power. It's a machine that adapts to you, that works with you, and that gets out of your way. Whether you're writing a novel, editing a film, building an app, or browsing the web, the M5 MacBook Pro does the work, quietly and confidently. But the story isn't over yet. The real magic happens when this device joins Apple's broader ecosystem. In the next section, we'll explore how the M5 MacBook Pro connects to the world around it. From Thunderbolt 5 and Wi-Fi 7 to new macOS features and developer tools, we'll uncover how this laptop goes beyond performance and becomes your most powerful creative companion yet. Let's continue the journey in Section 2.